Ready to turn your WordPress website into a powerhouse real estate portal with Kvcore's IDX integration? First, let's head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Add New to explore the available plugins for IDX integration. Search for plugins like IDX Broker, Showcase IDX, or Realtypers. These are popular choices known for their robust features and compatibility with Kvcore. Once you've found a plugin that suits your needs, click Install Now and then activate it. For this tutorial, let's assume we're using IDX Broker. Activating the plugin will usually add a new section to your WordPress menu. Now, find the IDX Broker settings in your WordPress menu. You'll need your API key from Kvcore. Log into your Kvcore account, navigate to the marketplace, and find your API key under the API Access section. Copy this key. Back in WordPress, paste your API key into the designated field in the IDX Broker settings. This connects your WordPress site directly to your Kvcore IDX feed. Next, create a new page or edit an existing one where you want to display your property listings. The IDX plugin will provide shortcodes. These are little snippets of code that tell WordPress where to pull in the IDX data. Insert these shortcodes into your page content. Preview your page. You should now see live property listings pulled directly from Kvcore's IDX feed. You can further customize the appearance and functionality of these listings through the plugin settings or by adding custom CSS to your WordPress theme. Experiment with different settings and layouts to create a seamless and user-friendly experience for your website visitors. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Kvcore IDX with WordPress. Remember to consult the plugin's documentation for more advanced customization options.